Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you on how to change language on Netflix on phone. So, let's get started. First is first, open your Netflix app on your mobile phone. Then, play a video. In my case, I already have here a played video. So, let's go straight in changing the language. On the lower part of the screen, click this audio and subtitles. Click on it, and you will have an option to change the audio and subtitle language. Here in audio, you can choose different languages that you prefer. Subtitles option offers also different languages to help you in understanding such language. Now, let's have a try. For example, we would like to use Thai language. Click this, and there you have it. Always remember, guys, that we can always change the language in Netflix and put it back again to its original every time we want. So, I hope this video is helpful. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos.